I've started a new project in Python. It's a text-based game engine. Essentially, I want to make my own game engine in Python, which I know sounds insane. It's just a bad idea. But it's going to be for text-based games. Like everything I want it to be text-based. Things like a cookie clicker game with maybe some basic buttons, but everything's text. No art, nothing like that. Text-based like RPG adventure, really detailed. I want to build an engine that helps to kind of cut out the middleman for a lot of the process and make it more accessible. Now, the goal for this engine this project, the reason why I'm bringing this up is because I do want to do like cookie clickers and adventure games and a bunch of other different like text-based games or traditional text-based games, like and then convert like modern games into a text-based format. I think that'd be really fun. But I also want to do this as like to make games to sell. So they will build the apps and maybe we can sell them on Steam. They might not make any money. It might just be something that we do in our fun free time and like a pack of text-based games that we all play and have ideas for. But that is part of the goal. I mean, it is kind of going to be a professional endeavor. But in that vein of getting to that point of it being professional, I have to learn more about Python. And this is really why I'm doing this project. I really want to learn more about Python. I really want to practice with a lot of the libraries, the OS stuff, the tkinter. I really want to get to really, really good just to be able to prototype future things. And with that comes with the idea that making a text-based game engine isn't the only thing. I want to do like cursory apps alongside to learn and figure out new things. I want to do an app like a basal metabolic rate calculator or conversion calculators or other things like that. Simple stuff that will go along, and I want to do in Python and build into exe formats and send them to everybody, and you guys test them out and tell me what you think and give me ideas on them. Now, because I'm building these and putting this in Python, I figure, hey, it might be a good idea if I comment my code extensively and I send everyone in FGL the source code. So I want to do apps. I want to do small apps. So if you have small idea apps like weather apps or like any little small idea app with a GUI and basic stuff, let me know because I want to do those. And then I'll make the source code available so you guys can learn as well and see how I make these. And maybe you guys can practice Python too, and we can build stuff together. It'd be a lot of fun. I really don't know how to use GitHub. I need to get used to something like that. I need to get skills into something like that. So as far as this project going, being like multiple people, unless you like send me the code directly, I'm not gonna have it up on GitHub. It's just a fun little thing that I'm using to learn for myself too, so there's no incentive for me to like get more people on and make it a more professional thing. So I'm gonna comment my code extensively, and then I want to send everything as a Py file and a built exe of the app so you guys can see what it is. And so really I'm just making this video because this is like a new project, a new idea for Python apps, for FGL, anything that's useful for FGL, maybe time zone calculators, things like that. But send me your ideas. I really want your ideas. I really want to make this a group thing, and I really want to help other people learn Python. So let me know, and that's all I really want to say.